Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Valentine's cat surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Valentine's kitten, we're going to begin by actually making the paws. And as you can see, we actually have a Valentine's kitten up here, and this is Miami. She hasn't been in a lot of videos lately, but she is up here right now. Now to start off with our Valentine's kitten, we're going to begin with the paws. So I'm going to start right about here, and we're just going to begin by making a little oval shape. So we're just going to draw a nice oval shape like this. Now I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to make another oval shape. So we're just going to leave some space and make another little oval shape right here. Now, these are going to be the paws, and we want our kitten holding a heart. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a line that's going to curve up and down. And then I'll make another one that's just going to curve up and down. Now, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down to a point and then back up, kind of like a really big V shape. Now, right up here, we want to make the head of our little Valentine's kitten. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to curve up. And then I'll make another line that curves up right here. I'm going to make a line that's going to come up to a point and then down. Then I'll make one that comes up to a point and then down here. Next, we'll make a little curved line right across here. Now, right inside of here, I'm going to make a little triangle shape inside each ear, just so we can have a little bit of detail inside of there. Now, when we make the face, you can do the eyes all sorts of different ways. I'm just going to make them kind of simple. And I'm just going to go ahead and make a little sad face shape for this eye. I'll leave some space, and then I'll make another little sad face shape for this eye right here. Then, right inside of here, I'm going to make a little nose. So I'm going to draw a little line that comes across. And then, starting right here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down and then back up in like a V shape. Sorry, no, you can't really see that with Miami in the way. And I'm just going to go ahead and color this part in. Now for the mouth, I'm just going to curve a line that comes down, and I'll curve another line that comes down here. And then we'll make a little line that goes down and up for the mouth. We'll make a little sad face for the tongue, and then we'll just color in this part right here. Then on the sides here, I'm going to add a couple little lines for some whiskers. Now, right down here, we're going to make the body of our little Valentine's Day cat. Now we're going to make it look like it's kind of flying, so we're going to put the legs and body at a curve. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a little line that comes down, and then I'll make another little line that just comes down right here. Now I'm going to make a little line that's going to come out at an angle, and it's going to curve back. And then I'm going to bring it up here just a little bit. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come down, and it's going to come up here. Now, starting here, we're going to make the wings. So let's draw a little line that's just going to curve up like this, and you see it kind of comes out. Then we're going to make a little curve here, a little curve here, and we'll make another little curve right here and bring it back. Let's do the same thing here. I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve out and then up here. We're going to curve it a line and bring it down. We'll make a little curve here, and then a little curve here, and we'll bring it right here. Now we want to make the tail. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to curve up, and I'll bring it out to here. We'll curve it around, and we'll bring it right back towards the body. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add 2 little lines here and 2 little lines right here. And then I'll put 2 lines here and 2 lines right here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little Valentine's kit. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.